Hey everyone, it's Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of Rig-Ready Rams, Rig-Ready Approves, and Rig-Ready Used. Talking about Rig-Ready Rams and used, guys, we got this beautiful truck in on trade. This one's a 2017 Ram 2500 Laramie Night Edition, guys. So she's black right out from factory. It's on a 6-inch lift kit on some 37-inch Nitto tires. It's got cab lights. Under the hood, it is a 6.7 Cummins that is fully deleted and tuned as well. We have I think there's a 5-position switch on the dash too. Again, 6-inch lift kit, some nice wheels, some big tires. It's a black edition, so it's all blacked out from factory, including the interior. Heated cooled seats, Alpine audio, trailer brake control, parking sensors, power seats for both driver and passenger, power sunroof, rear sliding window, full-size crew cab, guys, all right? They are heated. It's a 60/40 bench with a leather. There's a built-in subwoofer under the seats. We even have ram bins. Being a 2500, it is on a coil suspension, which is nice. It's a nice soft ride, especially the lift kit. A big FU exhaust tip, spray and bedliner, roll-up tonneau cover, blacked out all around, kickback flaps, tow mirrors, trailer brake control, you name it, she's got it. As I mentioned, we do have the switch on the fly for the tunes. And no, we don't know who tuned it. Sorry. 280,000 kilometers. This truck is a full certified truck. We spent big money making sure she's good for the road and good for you, so you have nothing to worry about for a long time ahead, guys. So for more information on this beast, just give us a shout anytime, 780-942-3629.